Ever feel like you're reading the same paragraph 5 times and it's still not clicking? Today I'm going to show you how to turn any AI into a personal tutor that not only explains complex topics like your 5, but it also actually tests you to make sure that you've mastered it. For this tutorial, I'll be using my favorite AI helper, Gemini. First, we need to break the ice. If you just ask an AI to explain quantum physics, it might just give you a textbook answer. We want the explain like I'm 5 version, but with a twist. We're gonna tell the AI exactly who it is. Here is the first prompt I'll be using. Now you'll find this in the description of the video below. So what I'm saying is, you are an expert tutor known for making complex topics simple. Explain, and then the topic. So we will replace this with, let's say, thermodynamics to me, using analogies and zero jargon. Keep it under 300 words. You see that? It's using metaphors, not math. So it's building a mental map for you instead of just dumping data on you. Now, reading is passive, but testing is active. This is where most people stop, but it's where the real learning happens. We're going to ask the AI to challenge us. So as a follow-up prompt, this is what I'll ask it to do. I'm asking it to give me 3 multiple choice questions to test my understanding and to not give the answers until we respond. This forces your brain to retrieve the information. If you get it wrong, the AI acts as your coach, explaining why that specific part was tricky. Let's take a look. As you can see, it pops up a whole new section in the window for the quiz. And it also shows me the multiple options as well as a hint if I'd like. So let's suppose I get this one wrong, so I'm going to select A. As you can see, it tells me that this was not quite right, the answer, so it also gives me an explanation as to why this was wrong, and then it highlights the correct answer for me, so it makes it a lot easier to learn. Moving on to the next question. And finally, number 3. Once complete, we hit on done, and as you can see, it gives me a summary of my quiz results. And it also tells me which strength areas and growth areas I need to focus on. Now, you could review the quiz or request more questions, but we can also click on Analyze My Performance, so let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see, the highlights section tells me, where my strengths are, so correctly identified this topic, and this one as well. And then for the question that I got wrong, it's telling me it's listed as a focus area. And that's it. Simple, effective, and it works for literally any topic. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And let me know in the comments what topic you're going to try this on first. Catch you in the next one.